Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Everyone has been trying Bantu knot out, so I decided to try mine, and you guys, I don't think I got it correctly. Anyways, let's go over the processes that I took one after the other, and let's see what I did wrong, what I did that needs to be improved. Thank you so much for joining today's video. Hi peaceful tribe, welcome to today's video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you what I did to my hair using Bantu knots. Okay, you guys, my hair is freshly washed. Yes, I just came out of the shower right now and it's quite damp. You can see how it's looking. So I'm doing this on a freshly washed hair and it's very dry. There are no products on this right now. First thing I'm going to be doing is to show you what I'll be using: a rat tail comb, mousse, okay, hair styling mousse, leave-in conditioner, which is very important for this process. I have a detangling brush, a white tooth comb, and another white tooth comb that I can use. First thing I did was part your hair into sections. The best way to work with natural hair is to work in sections. If not, you're going to be frustrated. Yes, you're going to be frustrated. What I do is that I just go into two first, then from there I can start sectioning into different sections. For the Bantu knots, I'm going to be starting by using leave-in conditioner first of all. Remember I said I just got out of the shower, so my hair is very damp. But if your hair isn't damp, I would advise that you spray in a little amount of water. So going with leave-in conditioner first, and then I try to use a white tooth comb to just brush through and then apply the mousse. Okay, so this was what I did. You guys, hope you're watching, hope you're taking notes. Then I went in with the detangling brush to detangle the hair, and then I made twists, very loose twists. Now you guys, you can choose to make your twist tight or loose. It doesn't matter. The way your twist appears, the way your curls will appear. So if you want your curls to be big, then you have to make loose twists. But if you want your curls to be tight, you have to make your twist tight. When you're done with the twist, you just roll into Bantu knots simply. I have a video on how to make Bantu knots, an extensive video on only Bantu knots. So if you want to see that, kindly check my channel, or I will link it to this video. All right, so we're just going to repeat the process again. Going in with leave-in conditioner, then the mousse. I didn't add any oil at this point, just the leave-in conditioner and mousse. So I would like you guys to tell me if this process that I did was correct or not. But I've been watching the girlies do this, and this is what most of them do, so I try to do the same thing also. Kindly know that my hair is high porosity. My hair is of high porosity and my hair strands are quite thin. They are not thick. So I have a fine hair and not a thick hair, which I feel plays a huge role in how your curls are formed. So we're just repeating the process until we have done all the Bantu knots. You guys, thank you so much for watching my video. We are already at 600 subscribers. I cannot even express the level of excitement that I have right now, because I started this and honestly I didn't even know I would go this far. Thank you so much to everybody that has been watching my video. Thank you so much, you that you're currently watching this video at this point. Give me a like and share this video, and maybe drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me where you're watching from so that I can give you a shout out. Yeah, and I haven't been posting hair videos for some time now because I have been ill. I haven't been feeling too well, which is the reason why I'm even doing this hairstyle, because I intend to let my hair breathe. I intend to let my scalp breathe, and I myself, I need to breathe and then heal. So I'm just doing something to just pop up my curls, and then so that I can take it while I take my drugs. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Right now we are done with the Bantu knot. Look at how messy my hands were looking, which is normal when you're using hair mousse, especially when you're using a large amount like that. I had to leave it to dry, and this was after 2 days. Yes, you guys, I carried this to work for 2 days because I was still going to work. And I just want to say that you can rock your Bantu knots that way. No one is going to say anything. Next, I'm just going to be using a hair growth oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can even melt shea butter. to loosen your curls. Yes, so the oils are going to be helping you help your hair to have some friction, have some grease, so that your hair will not break. I'm just going to be losing the bantu knots, and this will be very, very fast. Okay, so by the way, I just wanted to say that right from the days of our mothers, people have been using bantu knots to to pop their curls. So it's not even a new technique, it's something that has been here for long, like years and years, you guys. When I was done losing the bantu knots, I proceeded to lose the twist. We started with twist before we rolled into bantu knots. I proceeded to lose the twist, and this is where my mistake started from. I feel this is where my mistake started from. However, you guys be the judge of this and tell me if it is a mistake or I am just imagining things. When I was on losing the twist, I started separating it again, and I was separating it into smaller curls. Like, I was just separating the whole thing. I was just losing the whole everything I did. I was just losing it because I just felt that, remember I said my hair is quite thin, my hair is not thick, so I just felt that the whole thing was looking scanty. I needed to make it full, and I didn't know how to go about it, so I just kept separating the hair strands and then destroying the curls. Honestly, I feel like I destroyed the curls that I had used 2 days to like form. I was just destroying everything. So I don't know how you guys have been doing bantu knots out. I don't know if my kind of hair texture will not do well with bantu knots out, because this is like the second time I'm trying this, and honestly it's not turning out. So I don't know if some of my products are wrong, maybe the kind of hair mousse I use or something, but I wasn't feeling these curls exactly. So I tried to use like a wide tooth comb to just make it fuller, because I didn't even know how to style this hair, which is very uncommon for me. For someone like me that styles my hair myself, I was just like, the hair was looking somehow. You can see the expression on my face. I was just looking dissatisfied. How am I going to style this? That was what I was thinking. But then I came up with an idea to use edge control for the edges and then just work with it, because I needed to go to work, and you guys, I needed to like make my hair, make it presentable. So I use edge control for my edges, like to just style it a bit. And I mean, I feel like it made it okay. Like, at least I could work with this. You guys, look at it. My hair is like 10 inches long currently. So this is what it's looking like after everything. So let me know what you think about this video. I'll be in the comment section replying you. Thank you so much for watching to this point. If you watched this point, then it means that you love this video. So why not go ahead and give me a subscribe? Click the subscribe button and click the like, give me a thumbs up, share this video to your friends, and drop a comment for me in the comment section. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye, darling.